My previous video where I show you how to create your Bybit AI sub account for your AI agents to start automating your trading, one of you requested that I do this using the mobile app, and that is exactly what I'm going to do in this video. So if you have not seen that video already, then this will be able to guide you if you want to do this using the mobile app. Now, in order to be able to follow along with me, if you don't have a Bybit account already, then use the link in my bio or the link in the video description to sign up for a Bybit account. And the whole essence of the Bybit AI agent sub account is because this is specifically designed for AI agents to be able to, seamlessly trade all on autopilot using that particular sub account. So in order to be able to do that, log into your Bybit app. And once you're on your Bybit app, make sure you go to this option that says asset down there. Click on the asset. And once you're on the asset option, or at the top here, you'll see your username right here or your account name or the sub account name that you've created. If you don't have any sub account already, you will see either a number or your UID right there. So just click on it and this drop down will come up. If you have sub accounts already, you'll see all of the links of the sub account you've created. But in this case, our focus is this option that says introducing AI sub account. So go ahead and click on try. And this is where we're going to be creating our AI sub account that we can use to automate trading using our AI agent. And in my own case, I'm going to be using Claude. I'll show you that in a moment. So right here, we can go ahead and name this by saying AI agent. So after you name it, make sure you are selecting the AI sub account option and then go ahead and click on create. Now on this page right here, we need to authenticate. So I just go ahead and fill in this information, then we can continue. After filling in this information, just click on confirm and continue to the next page. So once you confirm those details and you go ahead and click on confirm, you'll see that your AI sub account has been created successfully and it comes with this default setup that you see right here. So the next thing is to connect this sub account, this AI sub account from Bybit to our AI agent. And in my own case, I'm using Claude. So I just need to click on this connect to AI agent option and it brings us to this page. Here on this page, we're going to be copying this instruction right here. So just click on this icon right here to copy it. And that has been successfully copied. Now, after copying this, the next thing is to go to Claude. You download the app on your phone. So if you're using Claude or you're using Codex, whatever platform you're using, whatever AI platform you're using, go ahead and open it. But in my own case, I'm using Claude AI. So I just go ahead and open up the Claude AI app right here. And once you are here, click on this menu option here and make sure you select code. That's the one we're going to be using. If you click on code right here, go ahead and click on new section. And once you click on new section, select the model you want to use. And after selecting the model you want to use, here it will ask you to select a folder. In my own case, I connected my GitHub account to it. Claude Code needs a folder to work with, and your phone cannot provide that folder. So we need something in the cloud to work with. That's why we need GitHub account. So if you don't have a GitHub account already, just click here. I've already connected mine, but you'll be prompted to connect this to a GitHub account. Just open your browser. If you don't have an account already, just use the on-screen instruction to sign up for an account, right? So if I click here, I select the folder that I want to work with. And once I select the folder I want to work with, that code that we copied from Bybit, I'll just go ahead and paste that right here. And once I paste it, I just go ahead and click on send. And this will go ahead and generate the public key that we can take back to Bybit. And Bybit will be able to create an API key for us. And with that, we can now start interacting with Claude right here. And Claude will automatically be taking trace on our Bybit account with all of the instruction that will be given it. So let's just wait for it to generate the public key for us and then we can proceed. All right, so as you can see right here, it has generated the public key for us and we're going to be copying this right here. This is the public key just generated for us. So what I need to do is to go back to Bybit. And once I come back to Bybit, this is where we're going to paste that public key and just click on allow paste and go ahead and click on confirm. And then we can add our authenticator code right here again. Now, once you add up that authenticator code, you can see Bybit API key has been created successfully for us. We just need to copy this back to Claude Code and we can now use it in Claude to start interacting with this platform, right? So let me go back to Claude Code again and then paste the API key right here. Now, once I paste that API key right here, I was supposed to give an instruction anyway. So I just pasted the API key. So right there is asking me question. I'll just go ahead and say Bybit API key and then go ahead and click on submit. All right, so Claude could now understand what I just gave it right here. But what is recommending? Make sure you read everything right here. What is recommending is that we need to create a .env file where we can actually paste all of these details so that whenever he wants to use it, he can just go in there, use those details and use it to interact with this AI sub account that we just created and start trading for us. Now, the connection has been done already, right? You can follow the on-screen instruction and do whatever you want to do. The next thing now is just to go ahead and start interacting with Claude. I can just go ahead, for instance, if I say, what can you do with this connection? And then go ahead and send that. Let's see what Claude will let us know. So it's going to highlight everything you can do with these connections. All we just need to do is give it a prompt right here to say, okay, look at BTC, analyze BTC for us, do a top-down analysis for us, and then pick a trade for us. It will automatically do that because it now have this, connection to your Bybit AI sub account that you can now start trading with. So let me just see what he wrote here. So with the API key and all of this, account and market data, you can read all of this. Then you can check wallet balance and all of that. You can go ahead and get position, open orders, history, and then it can execute trades for you. And all of this, everything it has listed here is what Claude can now start doing. So you just need to start interacting with it. And if there's anything you don't understand, ask it and it will direct you on what to do. Right now, with this repo that we connected, it will be creating files inside of that repo. For instance, if you ask us, normally this API key, the public key that I'm displaying, it is not meant for public consumption. It is private. So I just put it on the chat here. That is because I'll be deleting this sub account I just created after this video. After I make this video, I will just delete everything. That's why I had to leave it right there. Okay, that's why I'm just sharing with you so that you don't get confused along the way. Right? Then we can go back to Bybit and then click on confirm right here. And we can then go back, right? We can then go back and start managing. If I go back right now and I go back to these options right here, you'll see that sub account we just created. You'll see it right here. So once you see it right here, if you want to manage it, this account needs you to transfer funds into it, right? If you want to manage it, just click on manage. Don't click on the sub account. It's just click on the manage option right here. And once you click on the manage option, you'll see your AI sub account right here. So to be able to fund it, all you just need is to click on transfer right here. You now transfer funds from your main account to this particular AI sub account, and you can now start using it to start trading. Once there is funds right here, come back to 𝗕𝗏𝗙 and you can now start interacting right here. You can ask it to do analysis on BTC for you or take a trade with the positions you've defined, everything, and it will go ahead and do that and set TP/SL for you, and you can monitor the trade and close the trade automatically. I'm going to do an in-depth video tutorial on how to trade using these connections that we just did right now. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, smash that like button. If you have gained value, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this. If you want to learn more, join us on Telegram. The link will be in my bio or in the video description. Once again, if you don't have a Bybit account already, you can now start trading crypto, forex, stocks, indices, everything, whether sport, derivatives, all of them inside of the Bybit platform. So make sure you use the link in my bio in the video description to sign up for an account, and I'll see you guys in my next video.